You know what? It's King J.
We were with the roadies, bitches on my dick, don't you see me? I was with the when he clocked me. Brody, do you see what they're doing? Do your Brody, do you see what they're doing? Do your Brody, do you see what I'm doing? Brother, do you really see me what I'm doing? Brother, did you see me young when I was 16? Brother,
it was like Jacks, it was like racks. I was with a bro when they got shot down. Now one chat for the ting, I was like wow. They see me now when I'm around, you're like shot, I don't care. I'm my dick speak, she's aware. She wants 60s, I'm like bear. So he's shot, till he's there. And she's dick size in my bro. Yeah, she's chatting shit, she one of those. I'm the scariest she's ever seen. So she wore me on like a gene. I'm like,
Brody, do you see me? Do ya? I was with your bitch at 16. I had shit that you ain't seen. She was hurting, so I gave her lean. Aye, Brody, do you see me? I was with your bitch at 16. I had shit that you ain't seen. She was hurting, so I gave her lean. Brody, do you see me? Bitches on my dick beat. She was selling you dreams while she was loving this deep. Don't you see no mystery? Baby, yeah, she sees me. I was this 16. I got shit you with you like this. On your bitch and she was like, oh. I got that in, so I broke her. And I got that French with her moves like, oui, I got French, bitch. I'm like, Brody, do you see me? Got your bitch and she naughty. She was sucking on this dicky. Yeah, she like it cause I'm dark skin. Drip on your jet, bitch, seed on your face. Do you see one more? Do you know? The kids on my phone, do you really want more? I don't care, fuck your mom, I just do the shit you want. Brody, do you see me? I was with your bitch at 16. I had shit that you ain't seen. She was hurting, so I gave her lean. Aye, Brody, do you see me? I was with your bitch at 16. I had shit that you ain't seen. She was hurting, so I gave her lean.
King J.
Wake up, bro. Wake up. Get out here, bro.
Where the girls at, man?
Yeah.
What girls, man?
Where the girls at, man?
No girls, bro.